Hello everyone, this is Joy and welcome back to CUMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and the market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, China's steel prices saw a slight pullback after hitting a 2-month high last week. It is a turning point. Let's see more details. On the global front, market sentiment cooled off a bit. U.S. decision to delay tariffs on rare earth imports and indications to hold off on any military action toward Iran helped ease some of the tension in the commodity markets. As a result, prices across the board, steel included, started to go down. Domestically, we are still in the off-season. Real demand is weakening and inventory levels are still relatively high. But here is the twist. Steel mills are not rushing to resume production just yet. And with the Chinese New Year around the corner, many mills are starting to stock up on raw materials. That is helping support raw material prices and also production costs. So even though demand is soft, prices are not likely to fall too far. Next, let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, apparent demand went up by 290,000 tons. Inventory went down by nearly 69,000 tons, and production went up a bit. Production has gone up for 3 weeks in a row now, but the pace is slower than expected. And while demand looks better than last week, remember that is partly just a bounce back from the holiday before. It is not clear how long that demand increase will last. In general, supply and demand are a bit more balanced right now. Nothing too tight, nothing too loose, but also not a lot of momentum driving prices up or down. Looking ahead, the biggest thing holding up the market is raw material restocking before the Spring Festival. If profits stay low and the prices keep dropping, we could see mills starting cutting production just to hold prices steady. Demand is weak, but costs are providing support, so we don't expect any big moves in the short term. The market is likely to stay in this narrow price range and fluctuate for a while. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye!